Boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the impossible. The impossible in Rust. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make friends in Rust. Never been done before, never been seen before. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I suppose I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, boys. Have a good one. We then need to say bonjour, je m'appelle Stefan. And see if we can make friends. See, people don't normally like the French though, so probably best not to say bonjour. What do we try and do? What do we try and do, boys? What's the best way to make Rust friends? I'm pretty sure yous already all have friends on Rust. Me on the other hand, I'm always a baddie. Oh my god. Somebody's already tried to make friends here. Oh, Jesus. David. Are you alright, David? David's got titties. There's been a matter. Jesus Christ. Billy. Billy, are you alright? Only friends have been murdered. By one guy with a bow. Animal. Animal. Where's the place to make friends on Rust? I don't know. I heard someone. Hello? I seen him. I seen him. Hello? Hello, buddy? Hello? I want to be your friend, man. Hello? Hey, man. Hey, buddy. Yo. Yo. Hey, man. How are you, buddy? Oh, it's Robin Hood number 2. Where's the first Robin Hood? Oh, he's over there. Oh, Jesus. Don't do it. Ah, faff. That's just rude, Robin Hood. Come on, man. Yeah, we have it. I thought Robin Hood stole for the rich and gave to the poor. Mother. Let's go pay Robin Hood another visit. He's just up here. I don't know how it's going to go, to be honest. I think it might go the same way as it went before. Boys, can we not just be friends? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Calm down, lads. Can we all be friends? Please. Please. Jesus, boys. Come on now. Yeah, kill Robin Hood. He killed me. I'll be your friend. Fuck Robin Hood. The guys... I'm not going to lie. The guys didn't seem very friendly, so we'll just ignore them. We'll move on to bigger and better things, boys. I feel like we need to go and find what they called Zergs. Oof. Zerg Nation, baby. So, see, I'm trying to be friendly, but being friendly is probably going to get me killed a lot, so I feel like I need to kill people back. At the same time, that's not what I want to promote here. You know? I want to promote a good, safe environment in Rust. Oh, Jesus Christ. What's with the beach towels, man? What's it? You can't go to sleep on a beach towel, lads. Come on. You break your back, man. Ah, good old road. Right. Oh, that sounds like someone I could be friendly with. These are the guys that know how to play Rust. Oh, okay. Hello? Can we be friends? Mr. M249 on your roof. Mr. M249. Oh, Jesus Christ. Because personally, I don't think I'm even going to make friends today. Yep, I said it. But hey, we'll try for the boys. I believe you get 10 cloth for a bush. My respect for Jordan Rants has went through the roof. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh my god, a water pipe. Let's go. Now I can shoot someone. But sorry, we don't shoot people. We do not want to shoot people. He's not on his roof. Why are you shooting me, you up? I was going to make friends with the guy with the M249. Hello? Is anyone home? Hello? Hello? Hey buddy. Hey Nikitos. Hello? What a lovely beard you have. What a great friend you would have made. Now I just have to murder you.
Why you bully me?
Let's go make friends with this guy over here. I mean, to be fair, Nikitos, I just don't think he was the one. There's this little dude over here. I think he's got potential. Where did he go? Hey man. Hey buddy. Hello? Hello?
Hey.
Do you want-
Hey.
Do you want to be my friend?
معيش كتير بقى. Yeah. Come.
Oh, sweet.
I'm getting some wood.
Oh, nice. I'll help. How long have you been playing Rust? I'm really new. See, that's the tactic, boys. You tell them you're super new to the game. What is your name?
Hey, what?
What is your name?
I can't hear you. Like the wood is so loud.
Sorry, the audio.
What's
What?
your name?
Yeah, what is your name, man?
It must be love.
Rust 219.
Yeah.
Do you want to come on my team?
No. That was by mistake. Just call me anything. I don't care.
Okay. I'll call you Mr. Blobby.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, someone here. Hey, bud. Oh, what the hell?
Hello, bro.
Oh,
That's
Oh.
that's my friend.
oh, hey, buddy.
You want to invite you to the team?
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please.
Yeah, sure. Go like that,
Thanks, man. I can't believe I've got friends.
You play every day or you new?
Pretty new, guys. Got like 200 hours, I think. Yeah, new in server, new in Rust. Yeah. Are you guys new?
Yeah, new. Yeah, new.
I don't have Discord. I can get it though.
Yeah, that's fine. We were gonna kill you, to be honest, but
Oh, thanks for not killing me, guys. Thank you. You can have this wood if you need it.
No, we won't kill you now.
You know how to make spear?
Yeah, I got one now. Yeah. Do you make stone axe next?
What? Oh yeah, we should do
Ah, okay. Nice, so go close to the fire.
if you're
Yeah.
Yeah.
starting, you won't.
Ah, okay. Okay.
We just wait to the day. To
How long is night?
I don't know.
but
Pretty long.
halfway through the day, so we can
Ah, okay.
so we can find some food to eat.
Yeah.
But if we wait to like today, we're gonna starve to death.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
we should move.
Yeah.
Are you starving to study?
Yeah.
I am starving too.
Okay, did you download
Should-
the Discord app? So if you die, we can tell you where are we and you can come for us.
I've only got one monitor, so I can't download it just now. But I can type in chat too.
Yeah, it's okay. We have chat. Yeah.
See if we go to harbour. Harbour. Sometimes there's food at harbour. Well, like food box. Found one
Hey,
before.
hey, do you know how to change the chat to team? Hey.
What
Do you
chat?
know how to change the chat to team chat?
Yeah. So it's on team chat, is it? It says team.
Yo, Stunner.
Yeah.
Stunner.
Yeah.
How much food do you have?
None. 38.
No, I mean the orange bar.
37.
30 what?
37.
What about you? Stunner? Okay,
I'm 26.
we can kill each other. One of us can kill himself, so we can eat his. So we can eat him, and follow us again. Who? Can you send it or what?
Nobody's eating me, boy. Nobody's eating me, boy. Nobody eats Stenik. Stenik eats everyone. Why do nakeds always want to kill each other? They're so such a shame. Such a shame. Oh, I got kicked to the team. Damn, boy. I just wanted to make friends. Ah, god damn it. God damn it.